said it tastes like
Tastes like everybody, I'm sorry.
She'll take one for the team and eat the plate so nobody else has to.
Save you?
Yes.
Just want to sacrifice yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
So you don't have to.
So I don't recommend
Did
it.
you get the wasabi?
No, I'm good.
Oh, the fire. Woo!
I had to. Is this some jalapeno? I'm assuming this jalapeno.
Serrano? Is that Serrano? Serrano, yeah.
The wasabi.
Yeah. And that's the amberjack? Yeah.
That's mine, dude.
Oh, that's tuna.
That's tuna. Right?
Tuna.
Dude.
Oh man, you gotta get
Black?
the pepper and
Blackfin?
the
Yellow?
wasabi.
Atún.
That's a great
Sí,
flavor.
atún.
And there is bacon in the cheese, so it's perfectly acceptable to just have it for breakfast. There's bacon. There you go, perfect.
Inside the cheese.
Inside of it.
Very much bacon.
Yeah, additional.
I don't think anybody is a fan of
Yes.
He's the one that's eating. Hungry?
A little bit.
Ready? You want that? Drizzle. Oh, there you go.
You're getting fancy,
He is getting fancy.
Alright. Let's see what you're doing for us.
Oh, look at that little touch.
That's what you want.
That little touch. Oh,
That's
yeah.
what you wanted. That's what you wanted.
There you go. All right, now let's take the bite. Let's see. Money shot.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Oh, it's falling.